Let me start by saying something most men will never hear. Porn isn't your real problem. Your isolation is. Most men don't relapse because they're weak. They relapse because they're alone. And it's shocking that today we're living in the most connected generation in all of human history, yet the loneliest generation of men we've ever seen. Now, that's not a coincidence. That's a crisis. Right now, young men are facing a loneliness epidemic that no one is talking about. Here's what the data tells us. Over 60% of men under 30 report feeling lonely on a regular basis. Nearly 1 in 3 men say they have no close personal friends. Male friendships have dropped dramatically over the last 30 years, and porn consumption has risen alongside that isolation. Now, this isn't random. When men lose brotherhood, they don't lose just connection. They lose their identity. They lose real accountability. And most importantly, they lose their purpose. And then porn steps in to fill that gap. Now, today, I want to break down and expose to you the 7 reasons why isolation fuels porn addiction and why real freedom is found through community. Welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. And it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, reclaim their identity, and build a life of freedom. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on. But 7 reasons why isolation is fueling porn addiction. Starting with reason number 1 is isolation removes real accountability. You see, porn thrives in privacy. When no one knows you, when no one checks in on you, and when no one expects more from you, your standards drop and collapse. I've never met a man who said, I relapsed surrounded by strong men who are calling me to live to a higher standard. Relapse happens when no one is watching. And eventually you stop watching yourself. Now, accountability isn't about control, but it's about clarity and focus. The reason number 2 is isolation multiplies emotional pressures. Loneliness isn't just about the feeling of being alone. Loneliness turns into stress, anxiety, boredom, frustration, resentment, and emotional numbness. Porn becomes the fastest relief valve. It's not because it's good, it's because it's available. Most men don't want porn. What they are seeking for and what they want is relief. And isolation turns porn into the anesthesia. Reason number 3 is isolation erodes identity. A man alone will always believe lies about himself, especially from the enemy. This is just who I am. I've always struggled and I always will struggle. I'll never fully break free. What happens is community comes in and interrupts those lies. You don't build your identity in isolation. You discover it through reflection. Reflection from other men. Other men remind you of who you are, of who God's calling you to be. And this happens when your own mind turns against you. Now, isolation distorts identity, but that brotherhood can restore it. Reason number 4 is isolation lowers your standards. When you're alone, your goal becomes survival. It's not about growth. It's not about excellence. It's not about leadership. It's just about getting through the day. But when you surround yourself with men who are training, disciplining themselves, leading their families, and fighting for integrity, your standards rise automatically. You become the byproduct of the 5 people that you surround yourselves with. You don't rise to intention, you rise through environments. Reason number 5 is isolation amplifies shame. Shame needs darkness to survive. The more you hide, the worse you feel. The worse you feel, the more you escape. The more you escape, the deeper the shame. That, my friend, is the addiction loop. The fastest way to break shame isn't more willpower, it's an exposure to a safe environment. This isn't about condemnation, but it's about connection. Reason number 6 is isolation turns porn into a relationship. Porn doesn't just provide stimulation, it provides comfort, control, validation, escape, pseudo-intimacy. For isolated men, porn becomes the only place they feel wanted without risk. But it's a counterfeit connection that leaves you emptier every single time. Real connection requires courage, but it's the only thing that will actually satisfy. And reason number 7 is isolation kills purpose and momentum. Disconnected men drift. There's no mission, there's no structure, there's no direction. Porn fills the vacuum where your purpose should live. But when a man has a mission, a brotherhood, accountability, and structure, porn loses its grip because a man with direction doesn't need escape. Now, community, my friend, is the only solution. It's the only path to lasting freedom and integrity. And that's exactly why we've built the Rebuilt Man. What we do is not about another content platform. The courses, the information is free. If you're listening to this podcast, you know the information that you need. What you need is a community, not more motivation, not inspiration without action, but a real brotherhood. Men who will speak truth into you on a daily basis. Men that will stand with you and hold the line. Men that will walk with you in building the daily disciplines to step into freedom. Men that are committed to rebuilding their identities together. And men that want to see you walk in freedom and will lay the path out for you. Brother, you never meant to fight this battle alone. And if isolation has created this problem for you, then understand that connection is the only solution out of it. Now, if what I've shared here today has hit you, it's because something inside of you knows that this is the truth. You don't need more information. You need a brotherhood. And like I said, that's exactly why I've created and have opened doors to the Rebuilt Man community with a free 7-day trial. Now, if you click the link below or visit school.com/reboot your life, what you'll get is an opportunity to connect with a like-minded community of men, like-minded resources to walk in freedom, but most importantly, no pressure, no guilt, no shame, no hype, just men rebuilding their lives together. Come experience what real community feels like. Join us 7 days for free at the link below or school.com/reboot your life. And once again, understand that freedom will not and does not happen in isolation, but it happens in brotherhood. Click the link below to join us, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.